Hi everyone, this is a simple tutorial to know how to transcript or how to convert your YouTube videos to a text. So for example, I will copy this link, and go to this website. It's called tactic.io. So go and paste your link here, then click on get video transcript. Now this is the result of transcripting your YouTube video. So this is the transcript. You can copy the transcript, go to a notepad, then paste the whole script, or you can take this script to ChatGPT to paraphrasing or to create for you another script for your new video. Thank you for watching this video.